Bajau, second largest in Sabah, and Bajaus are popular with their diving. They were featured in British Broadcast Company, National Geographic.
Is this noodles?
Oh, you can have one, I think.
You can try.
Yes, yes. They are known as kui jala or directly translate fishnet cookies. Yes. Fishnet cookie. They are
It's
crispy.
good. It's not too sweet.
Just nice.
That's really good.
Coconut oil, rice flour, rice flour, and then sugar, and then cook just like that, fried. Very simple.
At my hometown, there's always kuijala. Apa ba kita panggil ni apa? Hah? Serang semut. Ini nggak serang semut? Ya, similar to sarang semut.
Sakar ayam dia juga nih.
Nah.
There is something else for you to try. Another one.
It's a big house here.
Actually,
Panjaram?
Yeah, panjaram. It's like a coconut pancake. You can have one.
Mm.
Panjaram. Yes. They are wheat flour, rice flour, sugar, and then coconut milk, and then the flavor. The flavor is pandan again.
Wow.
Really nice.
It's good.
Panjaram. Really nice. Wow. Wow.
So good. So easy to eat.
For a tribe that lives here 200 years or 300 years ago, to have something like this, very much like modern.
Houses.
Yeah.
In one village, right?
Yes, in one village, long time ago, and they all live close by to each other.